Warning, this content is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Next question here is from Marco M. Marco asks, when cutting and using 12.5 micrograms of T3 as hormone replacement, do you typically only add T3 or combine it with T4? When would you choose one over the other? I've never understood the adding T4 to T3. And look, I'm not an endocrinologist, but I'm just a gym bro who does bodybuilding and knows a few things. But T4 is the inactive version of T3, and your body converts T4 into T3. If your T4 is in range and your T3 is not, and you're having to supplement to bring with T3 to bring your thyroid levels back up to normal ranges, what is the T4 even doing at that point? To me, it's sort of like using HCG with TRT. I just, I get it, but T4 is just basically the inactive form of T3, and we're going to convert it to T3. And if you're already supplementing T3, adding T4 in is probably not going to do a whole lot, but it depends on context too. I see situations where often with growth hormone use, where we'll have increased T3 uptake, we'll have increased T3 and depleted T4. Now, in a situation like that, yes, your body's burning through all that T4 because of the increased demand for T3, the T3 uptake being increased. And in that situation, it probably makes sense to add some T4 into the equation, and wouldn't make sense to add T3. So I think they're independent of each other. So if you have low T4, high T3 uptake, then in a situation like that, it probably makes sense to add some T4 into things. If your T4 is normal, your T3 is low, then there's no need to add T4 in. You can just supplement with T3. And I think a lot of people just throw the kitchen sink at it, hoping that that's going to fix the problem. If you have low T3 and your T4 is normal, T4 is not going to help the situation in any way. Not from what I understand. So I would just use the T3 in that situation. For coaching or consultations, head over to www.anabolicbodybuilding.com to book your spot today. I can help you with optimizing hormones, fat loss, muscle gain, physique, athletic performance, nutrition, and health. For more information, shoot me an email at bigp3rd@gmail.com.